Mervyn, thank you so much for joining us and giving us the honor of being in one of your fabulous stores today.
Welcome, welcome is all we can say. Hope after this experience, you'll be able to sleep better.
I'm sure
that's our goal.
I'm sure that we will. Listen, you have such an incredible story, but what inspired BedKing to develop the Sleep Lab?
I come from an engineering background. I just, for the life of me, could not understand how we have to buy beds in a way of jumping from bed to bed. That doesn't make sense to anyone. I then came across with the idea that if I can separate, according to my own personal feels, of a mattress, I can divide it into 6 groups, and I developed a wall against a corner, and I said each one has a place. Different comfort levels: plush, ultra plush, firm, gentle firm, all industry standard words. And we then had color-coded all our beds, and that was the beginning of this journey. People then went from bed to bed, but they at least knew where they wanted to focus it. But I wasn't happy with that. I then came across technology in the US that actually gave me this huge, where the penny dropped, that you can measure pressure upon the body. If I can identify how much pressure is on the body, I can reduce the pressure simultaneously and increase the comfort. Because the truth is this, it is pressure that destroys comfort. I then went about, imported this lab, the pressure mapping device, 1,600 sensors in it, and we set about doing testing of bodies to get to understand how to match someone up with the right comfort. And we then went about and we discovered the second biggest and most important factor is that support is equally important to the pressure relieving comfort. We then connected the 2 dots together. We went about and we identified 3 different distinct support categories and 4 distinct comfort categories. And that collectively created this wonderful thing called Comfort Solutions.
How does this change the way people, choose their mattress?
A radical transformation. We have made it so simple. Somebody walks into our stores, we will analyze you, we'll ask you a few very important questions. We'll take you into our lab, the Comfort Solution Lab, and in there, we let science do the talking.
That's it.
And science will determine exactly what is the right mattress for you.
How does it work when you come to the Comfort Solutions Sleep Lab? Can you take me through those steps, or are there somebody else that I need to talk to?
I'm now going to take you through to I'll call our product developer, Carla. She is absolutely incredible. She understands it all, and she has been instrumental in developing many of these things that we are currently utilize in our lab and in our products.
Carla, business as usual in the shop. And
Yes.
Thank you. I just want to find out, how does the Sleep Lab actually work? And what insights and data are used to match people with the ideal mattress?
Good question. So our Sleep Lab has over 1,600 pressure sensors that pick up a person's pressure map. So you lay on the test mattress in your preferred sleeping position, and then based on how you sleep, we can see, the lab can tell us which areas of your body require more support and where you are exerting more pressure. And then based off that, the lab puts together a sleep profile, and then we take that sleep profile and we can match you to 3 Comfort Solutions mattresses in our store.
So listen, does this entail me having a nap for about an hour or so?
The test process is surprisingly quick. It takes about 2 minutes.
Wow.
But thereafter, when you go and test your 3 different Comfort Solution mattresses, then we encourage you to spend as much time as possible laying on the mattress, and we try and give you space to just feel what it feels like. So you can spend up to an hour napping. It's fine.
According to you, what do you think is the biggest misconception South Africans have about what creates real rest?
It would be that sleeping longer means good quality sleep, when in fact it's about the quality of your rest. So even if you can't sleep for, let's say, 8 hours a night, it's about having that deep, uninterrupted sleep that's really going to help your muscles to heal and your immune system to strengthen. That's what's key. It's not necessarily how long you sleep.
Listen, and as South Africans, we tend to spend a lot of money going abroad or going on a holiday or buying the ideal or dream car. When it comes to buying the right mattress, What do you think we need to know just to make sure that we also buy the better mattress, not because of the money or it's too expensive or not? I mean, how do we get the South Africans to buy the correct mattress for the better rest?
So we need to pivot the conversation away from price and seeing a mattress as just a commodity item, something you sleep on, when actually it directly impacts the quality of your sleep. So to help the customer understand that they are investing in their sleep and in turn investing in how they're going to show up every single day. So they're actually investing in their health and their wellness, and there is no other household item that is going to do that as much as the right mattress will do for your quality of life.
Carla, well, you know, I get up early in the morning for Goeiemorgen, good morning. Am I at the right spot now?
Definitely.
Cool. Are we going to do the
Yes, let me
sleep lab?
take you to our sleep lab. Come, we go.
A complimentary sleep analysis in the Comfort Solutions Lab measured my body's unique pressure points and helped me to find a mattress suited to my unique comfort level. Who would have thought that science could take the guesswork out of choosing the correct mattress?
Gaan besoek beslis jou naaste Bedking om jou Comfort Solutions Sleep Lab toets te doen. Nou ja, my volgende gas is net 13 jaar oud, maar staan kop en skouers bo sy maats uit. Letterlik. Ek gesels nou met Corneille Kloete wat reeds 1,98 meter lank is. Baie welkom hier by ons in die ateljee. Hoorie, is dit 'n gesukkel vir jou ook om die regte bed te kry?
Ja, nee, soms is dit om ja,
Extra length.
my voete hang gewoonlik af van die beddens af so.
Luister maar, jy het nou klaar gemaak met graad 7. Sê vir my, sien jy uit na die hoërskool?
Ek sien uit, dis maar ook bietjie stresvol, jy weet mos jy het mos daai stres en alles, maar ja, dit is lekker. Ons is nou juis besig al met ontgroening by Elderrein. So ja, maar ek sien nogal uit vir dit. Ek sien uit vir die hoërskoolloopbaan en alles wat gaan gebeur en die nuwe vriende en goeters. So
Almal gesels natuurlik oor jou lengte. So wat is die snaakste ding wat mense al vir jou gesê het?
die een wat ek die meeste kry is hoe is die weer daarbo. Maar ek het al dit al so baie gehoor dat ek my eie comeback gemaak het en vir hulle sê hoe is die weer daaronder? Want die weer hier goed is verskriklik warm. Ja. Veral met hierdie of as dit reën dan sê ek ja, nee, is baie reënerig. So hoe is die weer daaronder? So ja, maar dis die een wat ek die meeste kry. Ek dink nie ek het al of as ek al ander gekry het ek het vergeet. So
Sê vir my, wat is die voordele daarvan om so lank te wees?
baie belangrik, jy kan goeders van hoë rakke afhaal.
Ja.
En jy kan ook soos help om ander mense te beskerm, veral soos teen bullies, want
Ja.
bullies is verskriklik bang vir my. Almal is bang vir my. So ja, maar dis maar net lekker om mense te help, soos veral want my naskool tannie, Jos het my gewoonlik gevra, "En al gou die gordyne asseblief af of kry jy hierdie uit die rakke uit of iets soos dit." So
Ek kan dink dit is baie lekker vir die mense wat so met jou te doen kry. Is dit ook waarom jy daarna verwys as jou superpower?
ja, dit is nogal, maar meestal die boelie gedeelte dat ek kan opstaan teen hulle, maar so ja.
Nou ons gaan nou 'n speletjie speel, nê? Nee, ek gaan nou my twee mede-aanbieders vir Raas en vir Pieter nooi om saam met ons te kom speel. So ons gaan nou hierdie kant toe met beweeg.
Reg. Hallo.
Raas, is jy gereed hiervoor?
Ek kom wys my
is 'n
wat
bietjie
moet ons nou doen?
senuweeagtig, want ek weet ek gaan verloor. Pieter staan hier met ek weet nie hy wil nou
Hoe
kroeg.
gaan die
Hy wil kroeg.
speletjie werk?
Goed, so die speletjie werk so. Hy wou reeds al op 'n leer opgeklim het om te kan byhou met die lengte. So ons gaan nou hierdie sticky notes gebruik. Okay.
Hallo my vriend.
Ons het die stel altyd. So hoe dit werk is ons gaan elkeen 'n sticky note vat. Ek gaan dit vir julle gee en dan gaan ons kyk wie sinne is die hoogste. Pieter,
Ek wonder.
Ja,
staan net vir 'n oomblik so een kant.
gaan ek nie 'n leer nodig hê.
Ek gaan dit hulle
Nee,
net
ek
eers
leer
doen
nou
want ons
ander lengte
weet
vandag.
ons weet mos nou wat hier gaan gebeur. So julle moet dit hier teen hierdie
Okay.
paneel
En
plak.
ek het die hoogste hakke aan vandag.
Go for
Ons
it.
kyk.
Daar.
Mag ek
Goed.
spring?
Nee.
Nee.
Maar jy kan
Nee.
maar spring. Spring maar.
Okay.
Ja, maar ek is bang.
Moet net hierdie stel omspring nie.
Hey!
Goed, ek weet ek gaan verloor. So kom
Okay,
ons gee
so
vir jou beurt.
moet ek probeer. Dis
Try maar.
die
Ja,
vraag,
ja.
dis die vraag. So
Oh!
Hier kom Elsa.
Okay, Els.
Dit het nie gehelp nie,
Ja,
maar
nee.
ek moet sê Pieter,
Nee,
Ja,
maar
wel
ek het
gedaan,
onthou ek het
sonder
gehop,
jou
geef my
leer.
nog eenetjie as ek net op my voete staan en kyk waar ek
kom
uitkom.
ons kyk wie
Okay.
wen tussen jou en Roz.
Nee,
Het jy op jou tone gestaan?
Gewen. Ja.
Waar is hy?
Ag oom kon maar net op hom se tone gestaan. Hy is nie ver bo met die spring nie.
Ja, jy's probeer ek
Ja,
iets sê.
Ja,
Ek gaan my leer vat en verder leer.
Sê net bietjie vir ons net voordat ons afsluit. Neem jy deel aan iets soos hoogspring?
Nee, ek kom van my ma se gedeelte. My tannie is nou weer by die hoogspring en goeie soos dit, maar my ma is diskus en gewigstoot.
Ja.
So ek het my ma se voetstappe gevolg met gewigstoot en diskus. Waar ek klaar een van Alderrein, ek sal sê ek is een van Alderrein se beste atletiese diskus en gewigstoot gooiers. Of meestal diskus.
Ja.
Ek weet nie veel van die gewigstoot nie, maar ek is nie veel ek hou nie baie van hoogspring nie. Dis lyk nie vir my lekker nie.
Ja.
En ek is bang ek beseer my rug. So ja.
En net om jou af te sluit, ek wil net vir julle sê ek het 'n voeltjie oor fluit van die grootte van sy skoen. Sê net vir ons.
Ek dra 'n size 13.
op 13.
Is
Pieter,
hy nou
jy?
graad 8?
Ja.
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 Wat 'n matriek gaan vir jou sê, "Hey, Roefie,
Daar's nogal
'n paar.
hulle sê vir my nogal ja nee, jy lyk maar baie kort vandag. So.
Wel, dis ongelukkig al waarvoor ons tyd het, maar net soos Corneille gereed maak vir eerste dag van hoërskool, so maak ons gereed vir die res van die program.